What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Comment Sunday. I love these kind of this day. It's the fun day where I just read your comments throughout the week of some of the videos I've made. And again, guys, this one is going to be a busy one. Thanks a million to all of you that have commented below. I always said I want this to be a discussion channel and a podcast channel, and it's you guys that kind of make this happen. I love bringing up your comments. I just love discussing these things. It's just a bit of fun. And if you're new to the channel and this is your first time clicking on a video and wondering what this is all about, get involved. So just smash the subscribe button. This is a very transparent, no bullshit channel. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I've nothing to lose. As I said before, hopefully we're saving for a project car. I want this channel to be self-sufficient. I do have a savings account to get a project car, guys. As I said, I think I've saved €200 so far. I will put in a small bit every month myself, but hopefully with your support watching the videos, we can obviously make it off the ad revenue as well. So that's the plan, and just we'll jump in and enjoy your comments as well. And to all the new subscribers, again, thanks a million. Hopefully you like this kind of stuff and you stick around as well. So we'll kick it off. I always go backwards, guys. So I go with the most recent video and work my way back. We've got a lot to cover for this week's comments. You guys have been smashing it. So we're gonna have to go down through these and basically we'll just read out some of your comments as well. So let's kick off with Tilly. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Another guy that regularly comments on my videos. He basically said I've watched the entire video and quite enjoyed it. I commented that it wasn't maybe a good idea. He advertised a drug promo in his video, given his recent past, and my comment didn't last 5 minutes before he deleted it. So this is basically my video yesterday, guys. Was Vehichle Versions is officially back. He's posted his Ford GT video comparing the 2006 to the new model, and I said it was a good vid. I know Ice Creams said he's going to be covering it, Ice Cream Vlogs, and he said it was a good vid as well. I felt like it was a good vid too. So look, again, guys, we have to wait and see what other things he does. I just said it was a good vid for his first one, and just wanted to see what you thought about it. And obviously I kind of presumed anybody that mentions any bad comments in Vehichle Versions videos, he's going to delete them. Like, he's going to do his utmost to keep the comment section clean. But you wonder how long he's going to last doing that, because that's going to have to be a lot of fucking comments. He's going to have to delete any ones that are bad. I think he's just going to keep doing it until the tide changes over to where there's enough good comments that the bad ones don't really get up to the top comment section, I'd say. West Coast Turbos, another great person for commenting on my videos. Vehichle Versions is too much of a car review channel, personally, not into that. Now, I did reply to him to saying he is mostly car reviews, but sometimes he does do car projects as well. His own personal cars, like the 675 LT that he had, his Ferrari as well, the 812. He does, the Supra he does do his own ones. And I said it as well, I wonder what cars are left out of his fleet. I wonder if he's just going to do reviews until he can try and build back up money to get new cars, or if his other cars are gone, if he's going to cover it, or if he's going to end up just doing small project cars. I think it's something he's probably going to have to add to his channel. I don't know if he's going to get away with just doing reviews. But it'll be interesting to see what he ends up doing as well. Paul Smith ended up commenting, burned too many bridges and the damage has already been done. His views are ruined for good. There is nothing he can do to revive his channel. 3-minute excuse vlog will not revive his channel. He rants about DD, the Stradman, and Buddy went too far. Again, guys, look, he did. We know he when he went on Instagram live, he completely shat the bed and went nuts, and he really did a lot of damage to his channel, and you just wonder, is it too far gone? I've said it a million times, I think this is his last go at trying to recover the channel. I did reply to Paul in the comments below saying, I feel if he doesn't start cracking the 100,000 view videos in the next probably month or two, he's he just has to just accept that he's done and dusted. Like, you know, I mean, he can't, like, if you're making videos for the next 2 months and you're not getting over 100,000 views for the size of this channel, to me, you literally just have to throw in the towel. And I even said that. Paul was replying as well, and some Horizon basically. As I said, guys, discussion channel. You can say what you want. Not here to judge people either. He said you all be bitching for any little thing. When was making videos in 2020, yeah, I didn't like the content. It felt weird, so changed it then. You wanted him to apologise. He apologised. You all never liked him in the first place, so miss me with that bullshit and keep it going. So look, guys, there's people out there that really do like channels, and it's their, you know, it's their own thoughts and opinions. I get that. I mean, look, he either going to accept the apology or not. There's just two sides to people with Vehichle versions. I'm very in the middle. You know, I do enjoy his content when it's good, but I do feel like it's always going to hang over his head unless he apologises directly to Stradman, DD and stuff like that, and shows it. But people have just said fuck him, like he's gone too far and they're done with him. So yeah, guys, I mean, look, it is what it is. That's just basically, I think, my most kind of you know, some of the comments there on the videos as well. I try not to make this too long, guys. I'm sorry if I do. It's just I have so much to cover this week with all your comments and stuff. Yeah, so this one was my video of about Tavarish, that he ruined the Ferrari F355, and then just DD clickbaiting and Stradman's new Tesla. I tell Tilly, Tavarish needs to finish his builds he's working before he starts new ones and new channels. He has 10 different things going on and none completed. I agree with him there. The one thing that pisses me off about Tavarish is I guess you're supposed to have, you know, a lot of projects going on, blah, 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 but he is all over the fucking place. It does annoy me. I would like him just to see him start projects. If he starts it, and be more transparent to what way it's going and when he's going to finish it. It just feels that you can't keep up with what's going on half the times. Sometimes he starts a car project, there's 3 or 4 videos on it, and then he just leaves it in the background and you forget after a few months it was even there. It really does annoy me. I hope he stops. I just want him to finish projects, maybe do a bit of a clear out and start fresh, but he still keeps going with this buying shit and getting. But I do love his channel, don't get me wrong. I'm a very big Tavarish supporter. That's just one of my pet peeves as well. And then as he just basically said as well, funny thing about DDE vid was when they revealed the new August showroom, they covered the exact same yellow SF90 with a Simpson cartoon drawing, so it would appear on the vlog. What are the odds they randomly run into the exact same SF90 in the road? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that Matt's friend owns that SF90. I'd say the reason they covered it because he didn't want, he's probably a viewer of DD, or he knows people that watch DD, and he didn't want people knowing that he got an SF90 or whatever colour to cover it, and then obviously they saw it. But I was annoyed at that vid. It was clickbait. It was a clickbait title, straight bullshit. Like he could have made the title a bit better, but it's Damon. It's one thing that pisses me off about Damon when he just does that kind of clickbait stuff. I really like his videos and shit. But when he does that, in my eyes, it fucking annoys me. If you should, like, stop clickbaiting, man. Like, just make a bit of a better title, and that's just me, though. You know. Mark Jenna, I also clicked to watch the SF90, but the entire video was about them driving from A to B. I was very disappointed. See, there you go. Another person agreed. So, and then Delta Dandy, another good regular commenter on my channel. But at least the 355 was trash to start with. Just checked out his vid. Could be interesting build. Yeah, guys, look, Tavarish with that F355. I said I don't like the fact that he's going down the Aperta route, because you just feel like he's copying DD, and he did make a good point that I was saying, oh, it'll be a 101, but the whole point of having the Ferrari is having a Ferrari engine in it, and he's going to have a rotary engine in it, so it just kind of, you wonder if he would be able to make a profit on it if he was to sell it. It would be cool, but I just, look, DD already done it. I just don't want to see more Aperta builds. It's like basically jumping on the bandwagon with a lot of things, guys. And it just, I get 1 or 2 channels do it, but I think he perfectly ruined the F355. I like the wide arch kit idea, but I'd rather he kept the Roadster. instead of a Perta. But look, it's Tavarish. He can do whatever he wants. It's his channel and his cars at the end of the day, you know. So let me have a look here. What's this one about? Drag times. Oh yes, they win the drag race, the SF90 and the 765 LT. And I covered Elliot Alvis getting Z4 as well. So Elliot basically said, thanks for the shout out, man. This Z4 will be getting modded and improved without a doubt. I love this thing. I watched the video, and so somebody won it at a casino or something like that, and it was in Wichita and Kansas, and he's ended up getting the car. It's a very high mileage Z4. I highly recommend go over check out his channel, guys. I can't wait to see what he does with it. He's even got me thinking about getting a Z4 for this channel in summer, but again, guys, I don't think I'm going to be able to afford one. I've got 2 or 3 cars I really want in mind, but I think they're just going to be out of my budget. I can't afford, because I don't want to take anything out in finance. I just want to be able to buy it with cash and modify it. And because I'm saving for a house, and I can't be going out taking out finance when I'm going to be trying to get a mortgage. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, check out his channel, guys. He's very, very nice, and he's been commenting on my vids as well. Daniel Ichiru, sorry for butchered that. SF90 any day, and it's Ferrari fine. Yeah, I mean, look, I would have taken the SF90 over the Ferrari, or sorry, the SF90 over the 765 LT as well. I just love it. It's like one of my favorite Ferraris out there. The SF90, I don't know what it is about it. I just really, really love that car. If I won the lotto, definitely would be one of the cars I would definitely buy if I had the money. And you wonder how many YouTubers are going to get this car. Who's going to be? Is it going to be Stradman, DD? You know, I just wonder who's going to be the ones that buy it and modify it, because it's nearly 1,000 brake horsepower. Ultra fucking quick, as you can see. The 765 LT is a quick car already, and SF90 like really hammered it off the line. So yeah, definitely worth the money. I'd say to buy it for $635,000. Well purchased. Mark Jenna basically said that SF90 is fast as fuck. It definitely is. If you guys haven't seen the drag times video, Jesus Christ, go check it out. It's ridiculous how fucking fast that thing is. I really mean it. I think this, I have any more comments on this one. This was so thanks to Anthony and Sports and Touring, check out their channel. He actually told me about this car, the T50S Niki Lauda from Gordon Murray. Oh my god, what a machine. Absolute stunning machine, like, if you haven't checked it out. And Delta Dandy said he can't wait for the T50S as well. I really can't wait to see somebody go around the track with that thing. Like a 1500 kg of downforce, that's going to be very, very quick going around the track. I cannot wait to see that thing go. And at 3.1 million pounds, I think it is sterling. You know, you'd want to be doing very, very well on the track as well, you know, for that kind of money. But we'll see who ends up buying one, and what they kind of, if I don't know if any YouTuber would actually even have, car YouTuber would have one of those cars as well. Last video, guys, this was about is Mclaren Atura 671 HP. Now I have to apologise to JM on cars. I did title putting him in it. He's already in a bit of trouble with the McLaren fanboys already. Guys, he doesn't hate McLaren. It's not that at all. I even said that he doesn't hate McLaren. He just wants to hold them to a high standard like Ferrari with some of the decisions they make. That's the way I see it. I found it a very, very good informative video. I didn't find it bashing on McLaren or nothing like that. And yeah, I highly recommend go checking out, because I thought it was very well done and a fair point from his point of view. And yeah, I thought it was great by him, but you know, I it's only fair I had to change the title, because I don't want me getting in trouble as well. So there's quite a few comments on this one. So Delta Dandy, oh yeah, Scott from Rasa Rosa, he's a good lad. I really love Scott's channel since this the BBI 512 build. I'm going to cover him tomorrow or on Tuesday's video. It's doing great. I think he just released a video today, which I need to watch. JM is one of the best. Honestly, guys, Jay does some great reviews on cars, well worth a watch. If you're thinking about buying a car, check out his reviews. They're very, very well done. I agree with your idea of the i8 looking best in blue. So Sam Crack is respraying his i8, and I asked what colour you think you should spray it. I agree the blue would probably be the best colour to go with. That's just my own personal opinion. Bailey said James likes the cars for McLaren makes, but just dislikes the McLaren company. I suppose that could be said. I think the new McLaren is a boring looking car. I mean, look, it looks. We don't know if it's a direct replacement for the 570S. I'm presuming it is. I like it. I've always liked the shape of the 570S. The Atura, I do like it. Just it's a bit of a bummer that that the hybrid motor only gives you a certain top horsepower for 15 seconds, and you lose 45 horsepower. That annoyed me. I don't like that, but it is what it is. Yes, we would rather have a Urus or an RSQ8, the Audi. I would rather an Urus. I am a Lamborghini guy at heart. I love Uruses. Definitely would be my top pick in that one. And then Anthony from Sports and Touring said, I'm not sure I'd say that JM doesn't like McLaren. In fact, he likes the cars, wants the brand to succeed, where what he said he doesn't like and certain choices that have made previously about quality and service. It sounds like McLaren are accessing this with their 5-year warranty, so that's a positive step. Yeah, so Ant from Sports and Touring knows JM and cars personally, he knows them personally, I don't. And yeah, as I said in my video, I don't think he hates him. It's just he wants to have a high standard if they want to go up against the likes of Ferrari and Lamborghini and stuff with their sports cars, which I agree as well. So yeah, guys, I don't know how long this video has gone on, because usually I have a time recording on my laptop to tell me, but I'm not too sure how long this has gone on for. But yeah, look, guys, again, thanks very much if you watched this. Do smash that like button. Comment below what you thought of the episode, what you think of the idea about bringing up your comments as well. And, we have a video coming out tomorrow. So, again, if you're new, do smash the subscribe button, like squad, and do get involved, and I'll bring up your comments next Sunday as well. So, guys, thanks very much if you watched to the end. Stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.